Okay, hi guys. So today we're going to be making a few decorations. So what I'm going to do before we start, let's go to render, switch to Eevee to cycles. Sorry, switch from Eevee to cycles even. I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of the cube right here, and I'm going to add a icosphere. And what we're going to do with this is just S, and we're going to stretch this out to make a little ornament. We'll add let's go with the torus. Let's go rotate this by 90. Scale it down. And then we'll press G. You can go ahead, shade this smooth. And then this one we'll just leave the way that it is. Maybe we'll do glass on this. So principled BSDF and change it to glass BSDF. Change the roughness down and I'll change this to red. Just as such. I'm going to go ahead and add a plane underneath so you guys can see. So, add plane, scale. It's kind of like a red little trinket. And then I'm going to turn the lighting up as well, so you guys can kind of see through that. So this one would be great for a Christmas tree. You can kind of loop something through here if you're doing rope or something like that for your project. I've already done rope in one of my projects, so if you need rope, it's on my page. Yeah, so let's go ahead and change that to metal right there. And this is just kind of like a really simple little make. You can have a red one right here, or we could go ahead and duplicate this. And we can make, say, a green one. Just hit the duplicate right there. I thought these were kind of like a really nice kind of 2-minute projects that you guys could do for, say, like a Christmas tree or whatever like that. These are great also if you're making like little Christmas trees and say like you need an emission, so you could put like an emission right here. But yeah, as far as decorations go, these are pretty neat. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.